Urmet SPA is a company involved in several activities about different product type like intercom devices, security devices and video surveillance devices. And so every day we manage activities about safety, security and monitoring features. The challenges in particular focused in order to simplify the usability of our products, adding day by day new innovative features thanks to a digital approach in order to allow our customer to give all the benefits from the products.
For that reason, we really need to differentiate, and it's a key point of the company being capable of assessing or creating services out of transforming our business into a digital way. What becomes a critical point is being capable of providing such services in a scalable way. And with AWS, this gives us a possibility of creating a better solution for our customer, a better services at the end of the day.
The results we obtain is evaluated in a positive way, and this evaluation allow my team to continue in this direction using for the future AWS in a wide way, and so we are very happy about this performance.